So getting started, this is something that you can access in several different places. You could go to Google's AI Studio, or really what I like to do is just go to gemini.google.com. And as long as you're signed in, it should look something like this. Now, right now you can see Nano Bananas popping up at the top. This is otherwise known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And if you click on that, I mean, it'll just tell you to try it now. It'll give you a little prompt. I'm not going to do that. You can click on Tools, click on Create Images. So that should be highlighted in the bottom. One thing you want to make sure of, however, is on the top left, you want to make sure that you're choosing Flash, not Pro. That's going to be how you can actually use Nano Banana. So I have these two images. One is me holding a peach, and the other one is just a pair of earbuds. And maybe I want to change that so I'm holding the earbuds in the image. It's something that on Photoshop you definitely could do. It would take a long time to do though. So if I just drag these two images over, one thing that Nano Banana is supposed to be very good at is preserving image characteristics when combining. So it doesn't look like an AI combination of the two. It'll match the lighting, it'll match everything, but it should still look like my face, and you should still be able to read the Bose logo on there. So we can give more complicated prompts. I'm going to start off with something very simple. Just replace the peach I'm holding in front of the tree with the Bose earbuds case from the second image. Let's see what it's able to do. And you'll also notice, by the way, while you can kind of do similar things on like ChatGPT and other platforms, they do take a really long time, and Gemini is not like the fastest. Like, I think there's still room for improvement here, but you'll see it's still fairly quick. So, all right, there we go. We've got the image here, and you can see, let's look at the first image. Let's check them out. So if we look at the first image and we look at the second image of the Bose earbuds, just so you guys can see what they look like. And then if we go and actually look at the combined image, you'll see it did a good job of, like, that is still me, preserved the image very well, and now I am holding the earbuds case. That's actually quite accurate. You'll see in the bottom corner, they do add the little Gemini logo there just to indicate it was AI generated, but I would say that is quite impressive. This is a really silly little basic example, but nonetheless, I think it's really impressive that you don't have all the AI recreation where the face looks different and just trying to rebuild the whole photo. It actually is combining the two images.